guys, it's Bree here again, back with another video. So in this video I wanted to show you guys how my wash days usually are. So what I'll do is I'll start by rinsing my hair and finger detangling. I want to make sure my hair is nice and saturated full of water so that it can be easier to detangle, finger detangle. Okay, so to wash my hair, I'll be using this Suave, I think it's rosemary and mint, and I'm going to also use the conditioner as well. So I'll take the shampoo and I'll just lather it all over my hair. And I like to go in with a scalp massager that I had got from Dollar Tree. It feels really good on my scalp, and I feel like it helps to lift any additional dirt that I may have on my scalp. So once I'm done cleansing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and rinse out all of the shampoo. You want to make sure that you're rinsing it thoroughly and that you're not leaving any leftover shampoo in your hair. Look at my little rabbit tail. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and condition my hair. Again, this is the Suave Rosemary and Mint Conditioner. This is my favorite part of my wash day because this is where I'm able to just do whatever. I like to detangle my hair and twist it up in sections during this process, during this portion of my wash day, because it just allows the rest of the wash day after that to go smoothly. So this is the shedding that I have from this side of my hair, which isn't too bad. So what I like to do is I'll split my hair into two, and then I'll do like 3 sections on each side, and I will use my fingers to finger detangle, and then I'll go in and use my wide tooth comb. It's easier to work with my hair in sections and twisting it along the way so that it doesn't get tangled. I do sometimes like to go in with my my paddle brush just to further detangle. Okay, so this is my hair with all of the conditioner. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. And once I'm done rinsing it out, I rinse it out by section and then I twist it right back up. Keeping my hair twisted is literally a lifesaver. So if you guys have a lot of hair, especially if it's real dense, see, my hair is more on the fine side, but if you have dense hair, this will really come in handy. So now I'm going to follow up with my deep conditioner, my Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. I've been using this since I've been transitioning, and this is like my staple product. So since my hair is already detangled, I'll usually just go in and apply the deep conditioner to each section, making sure I'm not missing out on any part of my hair. Okay, so once I'm done twisting my hair, I'm going to put on my shower cap, leave this on while I shower, and then come back and rinse it out. And I am back. So I'll go ahead and rinse it out. Same thing as with every other step. While I'm rinsing, I'm going to rinse it in sections and then twist it back up. Y'all, I just noticed I had like a shitload of water on my floor. This is going to be a mess to clean up, but oh well. Okay guys, so this is my hair. Wash day is complete. Hair is shiny, moisturized, and detangled. So yeah, this is how my wash day usually go. I wash once a week, sometimes once every 2 weeks, depending on my life and what's going on in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.